Damn, I'm looking good.
It was 2 weeks before Christmas, and all through my space, not a moment for resting. I had a project to chase. I was knee-deep in gadgets, designs in my hand, when my wife entered softly with a subtle demand. "Our little tree is broken," she said with a plea. "Can you fix it real quick? We've got family to see." I sighed and agreed with a sly little grin, for she had no idea the plan I'd begin. First came disassembly, cautious and slow. Each screw in connection with care let go. No wires were severed, no pieces misplaced. I'm meticulous as always. Repairs need no haste. The teardown continued. I learned as I went, examining motors, how the power was sent. 3 AA batteries in series aligned, tracing its power, its purpose defined. Cables were frayed, some barely intact, so I added connectors to strengthen the pack. Preparations were made for my custom design, the circuits were drafted, the schematics aligned. From idea to boards, PCBWay came through. The boards were delivered all shiny and new. Using a template, I spread solder with care and placed tiny components, no focus to spare. Much larger components I wish I had bought. The small ones tested my patience and thought. With a hot plate's heat, the connections did bind, a delicate process, a challenge refined. Next came the power, rewired with skill, heat shrink for safety, all measured and still. I tested the voltage, the switch to ensure the power flowed perfectly, steady and pure. A broken LED was buried deep in the tree, its placement a challenge. No easy access for me. Within the tight space, my tools found their mark, each wire reconnected, reigniting the spark. Then came that moment, the rushed PCB. With little time, no room to test or foresee, traces were cut, bodge wires aligned, code was rewritten, a fix redesigned. A red light glowed softly, its first sign of life, proof of persistence through moments of strife. I placed it inside its enclosure with care and marveled just how snugly it actually fit in there. The connected wires tucked neatly away, the tree's heart was ready to dazzle and play. And then I noticed the hat had begun to unthread. The stitching was loose, it dropped on his head. No needle required, just a twist and a pull. Now the hat standing tall, looking festive and full. And then came the moment to see it perform.
Santa's coming to town! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
Its lights danced with rhythm, its movements transformed. It came back to life, a sight to behold, a triumph of tinkering, both daring and bold. It danced to the music, it quoted with glee, funny lines from old games and films filled the tree.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, make it so. Make it so. Make it so. Man, it doesn't
To my viewers, I thank you for watching this tale through projects and fixes that often derail. May your holiday season bring laughter and cheer, and your passion for making grow brighter each year.
Make it so.
But wait, as the tree begins its last tune, it has something familiar to fill up your room. A melody classic with a beat that's quite bold. And if you made it this far, well,
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I feel commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling.
Christmas? Yeah, I thought that would work. Hey, can we just talk?
Christmas!
Or something? Because I've really mostly just got questions at this point.
Gotta